I've lived in the same home for over 40 years. I'm looking to simplify things. Downsize, if you will. Help me understand what it's like to live in a condominium. Hi, I'm Mark Stiles of Stiles Law down here at Studio B. Condo living. The first real house hack. A large building with multiple residences, broken into fractional ownership, sharing the costs. But what's the difference? Now, you've lived in your home for over 40 years, or for those first-time home buyers, maybe you've been living in apartments or with your family. Well, if you're living in a single-family home, you've been responsible for all of the upkeep, deferred maintenance, mowing the lawn, watering the flowers, paying all of the bills. With a condominium, you're sharing a lot of those expenses with other owners. So what do I mean? Well, you own your unit, typically from the studs, the construction studs in, and you have the right to do pretty much anything you want inside those four walls. But the outside, that's shared, communal. Decisions are made as a group. What type of decisions? Well, what's the best insurance policy for the overall condominium association? Does it make sense to hire a maintenance company to do the landscaping? Which landscaping company is going to mow our lawn for us? That's right, no more mowing the lawn. And what about deferred maintenance? Many condominium associations were born in the late 80s, early 90s. And if the management of the association, whether it's self-managed or a separate company, hasn't kept up with routine maintenance, and there's become deferred maintenance, the roof, the systems, do they need to be upgraded? How are they going to be paid for? That's all group decisions. You're not alone anymore. Last week we did a video, Thomas, please, on the new condo rules with respect to the tragedy that happened in Surfside, Florida. If you're obtaining financing for a condominium unit in a building of 6 or more units, you'll want to watch that video. But it also helps to understand shared ownership and shared responsibilities in a condo. The new lending guidelines are very specific about the routine and deferred maintenance of the property. What condition is it in? Is it in a safe condition? Well, the management company or the self-managed group of individual unit owners is going to have to certify to the lender that it is. When a part of a community, we always encourage involvement, such as going to your local town meetings. You would want to go to your association meetings, or better yet, be a part of the board and the decision-making process. So yes, living in a condominium unit is different than a single-family home, but there's also a lot of positives to living in a shared community. And for the real estate owners and investors out there who currently own or are looking to buy multiple family properties and convert those to condominiums, well, Thomas, I think Emmanuel and I did a video about that a couple years ago as well. And I encourage you to watch that to learn about the economics around condominium conversion. Folks, I hope this content was helpful. If it was, please share it with everyone and anyone. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel right here at Stiles Law. Thank you, and be well.